Hello everyone and welcome back to my 25th video on lab medicine. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating the complete procedure for performing weekly maintenance on the Beckman Access 2 Analyzer, which is one of the most essential tasks to ensure reliable performance and accuracy of results. To begin, every maintenance activity must be properly documented first on a maintenance log sheet or a checklist. This documentation actually helps us verify that all routine tasks have been completed systematically and on time. As you can see here, our weekly maintenance checklist includes few steps such as cleaning the exterior surface of the instrument, which means cleaning the exterior part of the analyzer, inspecting the liquid waste bottle for any leakage or overflow, checking the condition of the waste filter probe, inspecting or cleaning the primary probe, replacing and cleaning the aspiration probes. Finally, as usual, performing daily maintenance routine and running a system check to confirm that everything is functioning optimally. Among all these steps, the replacement and cleaning of aspiration probes is considered the most critical part of weekly maintenance. Therefore, in this video, I'll be focusing primarily on this procedure. Now, let's take a look at the maintenance kit provided with the analyzer. This kit contains all the essential tools and components that we need to carry out the maintenance process. For this particular task, we require 3 new aspiration probes. We start the process by carefully opening the top cover of the Beckman Access 2 Analyzer. Once the cover is lifted, you can observe the internal structure of the instrument. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice several probes identified by their numbers. Here you can see specifically probe number 6, probe number 4, and probe number 2, each marked with yellow caps. These 3 are the aspiration probes that need to be replaced during weekly maintenance. Before we begin removing them, there is an important component to note, and that is a small black clip which is located just below the screw that secures each probe. This clip needs to be rotated anti-clockwise and gently pressed downward in order to release the probe from its position. Let me demonstrate this step for you. As you can see here, after rotating the clip and pressing it down slightly, the probe is easily released. Once the probe is detached from its holder, we carefully disconnect it from the main tubing system. The same process is repeated for all 3 probes, that is for number 6, number 4, and for number 2. After successfully removing the old aspiration probes, we can now install the new probes. We attach each new aspiration probe to the corresponding tubing and ensure that the connection is firm and properly aligned. This is a crucial step because a loose or improperly attached probe can lead to system errors or even machine breakdowns during operation. So we need to be very careful with that. Once all 3 new probes are securely fitted, we can close the cover of the analyzer, marking the completion of the first stage of our maintenance process. Now we'll move on to the second stage, which involves cleaning the previously used aspiration probes that we just removed. To begin cleaning, we immerse the used probes in a contract cleaning solution for approximately 30 minutes. This soaking step helps to loosen and dissolve any dry protein, residues or debris inside the probes. After soaking the period, we start flushing the probes using the same contrast solution to remove any remaining contaminants. Each probe is flushed 3 times to ensure that all internal pathways are completely clean and unobstructed. Once flushing is complete, we discard the used contrast solution and prepare a fresh tray filled with distilled water. The probes are then submerged in distilled water to rinse away any traces of the cleaning agent. Next, using a special probe cleaning tool, which is here in my hand right now, we carefully clean the inner part of each probe, ensuring that no debris or residue remains. This is the final cleaning step for the aspiration probes. After the internal cleaning is completed, we allow the probes to air dry completely. Once dry, they are nearly packed back into their protective covers for storage and future use. That means after 1 week. And that concludes the procedure for weekly maintenance on the Beckman Access 2 Analyzer, with special emphasis on replacing and cleaning the aspiration probes. So, by following these steps carefully and regularly, we can ensure the analyzer continues to perform with precision, minimizing downtime and maintaining consistent accuracy in our lab results. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep on following Lab Medicine for more informative videos that's gonna pop out in the coming weeks. Yes, thank you so much.